Well, first of all, I mean, look at we're outside in gorgeous San Diego. I think the beautiful day is kind of a sign of just how magnificent this whole thing has been. And just like all the other summits, the energy just keeps growing and growing and growing.
There's something magic about the summits where you actually get to meet the speakers, you get to hang out with them, you get to talk with them, you get to ask them questions. It makes the information a lot more digestible.
Every person's delightful, every person's united because we want to help people. And it's a family, and I'm glad to be in the family.
As a speaker, this is probably the most enjoyable event I ever do. I love getting here, and you actually get warmly embraced, and you don't know who the speaker is or who the attendee is. Everyone is just involved and excited to be here.
My experience at the summit of 2016 for Strength Matters was unprecedented, the best summit I've ever been to.
I've gotten a lot of one-on-one time with people that I admire, that I follow their podcasts, read their books, that have been mentors to me. I spent an hour with Dr. Perry this morning just because he said, hey, let's talk about SFMA together, and just because. It was awesome.
So you've got your fitness, you've got your business, you've got your leadership, your motivational, and it just makes sense on how it comes together.
But nothing less than exceptional. It's been awesome. Yeah, ever since I did the bonus day on Friday, blew my mind. Yesterday was total information, overload, but things that I can apply right away as soon as I get back to work on Monday. It definitely exceeded my expectations.
It's been amazing. It was my first strength conference I've ever been to. I'm a new trainer to Revolution, so this really opened my eyes.
I took away lots of little key learning points that I can use back at home with myself, with my clients, as a boss and as a gym facility owner.
The networking opportunities are phenomenal. And then just having the resources, being able to email somebody else that's an expert in a certain thing that I'm not, and they will be happy to respond, and vice versa.
You get something from everybody that you can apply to the business, and that's just a true, genuine statement.
And the interesting thing is I find myself referring and suggesting that people in other businesses come. So my physical therapist and our manual therapists and people that are not necessarily just on the floor working with people, because we really do cover all facets of our business and our industry, and we all have something to share, like Vicky said today, we all have some sort of value that we can add to people's lives.
My business with Georgia and Roland has had a quantum leap on the things that have occurred to us, that we've thought of, and that we've connected the dots. Being with a group of people that is really smart and motivated and trying to make the same kind of difference we are, it's kind of amazing just what shows up inside of the conversations and the way that we talk about things after an amazing talk.
I'm going to recommend it. I think this is one of those summits and conferences that is catching fire, gaining a lot of steam, and I think it's not going to take long before people realize that this is one that you have to put on the calendar every single year.
It took you everywhere from simple movements all the way to very complex. What do you do with athletes? What do you do with complicated people? And so I loved it.
I definitely think the one thing I took out of it that was a commonality amongst everyone is it's about the basics. Brilliance in the basics was a great way it was kind of coined. Everyone here kind of has their own style and an application of multiple things, but it all comes down to the basic stuff, and we can't forget about the basics.
Very knowledgeable. Everything that I've learned and more, I'm going to take back to my gym and apply it to my trainers, my clientele, and outwardly give that back.
Every summit just has better information. The presenters get better. The presenters that keep speaking get better. And also you just start to kind of see a lot of the same people. There's always new people, but you start to develop friendships, and it becomes this tribe of awesomeness that is, I think, what everybody's kind of searching for, right? Kind of a non-clicky way, but it's educational magic.